and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby,
Welcome back to my channel. Over here you will learn how to make quick and easy mouth-watering desserts. So you could get your pen and paper ready, or you could bake along with me as we make these quick and easy box cake mix cookies. So easy to make, it only takes 3 ingredients. So please, on your way in, if you could hit that like button, also subscribe, and don't forget to share. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So to get started, this recipe only takes 3 ingredients. All you need is your box cake mix, 2 eggs, and some oil. So the first thing we're going to do is start by making our lemon cookies. So I'm just going to dump the whole entire cake box mix into my mixing bowl. Now we're going to add 2 large eggs. Next, we're going to be adding a half a cup of vegetable oil. Stir to combine. So once you're done stirring, it should look a little something like this. Now with our ice cream scooper, we're going to go ahead and scoop out the perfect portions, which that's why I use the scooper anyway, is so I can get the most accurate size for each cookie. We're going to set these over to the side and get started with the chocolate. Now with the chocolate cookies, we're going to be doing the same thing. So I'm going to go ahead and speed through this portion because it's pretty much self-explanatory. Now we're going to just place our cookies on the sheet like we did for the lemon cookies. So I wanted to start by saying thank you guys so much for all my new subscribers as well as my returning subscribers. I really do appreciate you guys for rocking with me. It's been a little bit over a year, so I've been trying to really get back in the groove of things and trying to get my subscribers up as well as those watch hours. So if you guys don't mind playing my playlist just so I can get my hours, I really do appreciate it. So let's get back into the video. Now we're going to put our cookies in the oven and bake. Now once you take your cookies out the oven, it should look a little something like this, nice and flat. And you see the crinkle tops, I really do love those. But they smell so good, y'all. I really do hope you guys try it. Now for the icing recipe, all you're going to need is 1 stick of butter, which I have a lot of these videos of me making icing. So if you are curious or wanting to know how to make it, you guys can check out those videos. But right here, I'm just adding 1 stick or a half a cup of butter. And I'm just going to cream this until it gets nice and soft. Add a little vanilla extract for flavor.
touch, that's fine for you. I do that 3 more times again, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it.
Now we're going to add our powdered sugar. And you're going to add this gradually because we're going to be using about 2 cups.
I your body, as long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment?
Now for the glaze for the lemon cookies. It's super easy. All you need is about a cup of powdered sugar. And then we're going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And we're just going to stir this till it gets to a nice little paste consistency.
With you, I feel like Scarface. Like the way bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here.
So once you're done stirring, you may need to add extra lemon juice, just like I had to. But once you get it nice and stirred up, it should look something like this. Not too wet and not too, like, tough. Now we'll be dipping our cookies into our glaze. Once we glaze all our cookies, we're going to let them sit out just so the top can firm up. It should look something like this when you're done.
When I'm with you, how can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody like you do, you do.
Now we're going to add the icing to our chocolate cream cookies. And y'all, this icing came out so good. Now we're going to be adding a little bit of sprinkles because why not? So that's it. I decided to put some in the box because I was going to give some to my son's teacher because she was like, next time you bake, I want some. So I wanted to make sure I had got her some. But yeah, guys, these came out so good. Super easy to make. I hope you guys try it out for yourself. It's only 3 ingredients. It's not expensive at all. So y'all try it. Let me know how it come out. And until the next video, you guys, thank you guys so much. Peace.